It's Kiss 104.1, Atlanta's R&B, Frank Ski and Nina Brown. Nina Brown!
Yes, sir.
So I've been hearing these commercials. You know I've been trying to do it myself, but I've been hearing you do these commercials for Dherbs.
Yep.
Like the full cleanse.
Yes.
You know I need one.
I know you do.
I promised myself at the top of the year I was going to do it.
Yeah.
I promised I was going to do it before I went on the Kids Foundation trip. And look at me now. I'm into August, and I still haven't done it.
It's okay. It's never too late to be the best you in 2022.
Okay, how can I get it done? Because I see you got a special guest in here.
Well, we have the guy. Dherbs.com, Mr. A.D. Dolphin.
Hey, how you guys doing?
How you doing, sir?
Man, loving life.
Really?
Absolutely.
What do I need to do to be fit like you?
Well, it always starts with that full body cleanse. That Dherbs full body cleanse, to be honest, it's a life changer.
Okay. So people talk about cleanses.
Yeah.
Right.
Like, what does a cleanse do?
Well, sometimes when people refer to cleanses, they thinking they're going to have to starve themselves.
Right.
They're going to have to drink some weird concoction. Our cleanse is nothing like that.
Okay.
It's going to clean out all your major eliminative channels. And that's
Okay.
your gallbladder, your heart, your liver, your colon, your spleen, your lungs, your kidneys, your adrenal glands, your blood, and your skin. And it's going to make it so those organs work properly. Along with that is definitely a diet. And that diet is a raw food diet. That means you're going to eat fresh fruits, vegetables, raw nuts, and raw seeds. And if you do that, you will never be the same again. And if we talk about the results, which is life-changing, you're talking about weight loss between 10 to 30 pounds, a huge boost in energy, stronger immune system, clearer skin. You'll be able to focus and concentrate a lot better. It's a life changer.
Oh, okay, hold on.
I know, it's a lot.
I mean,
it's a
I'm
lot.
sold, AD, but like, let's just keep it real because.
That's all I got.
Oh, how about that? We've done cleanses in the past.
Right.
We've attempted to do cleanses, and they're not easy. Like it's not easy to just go from having no structure, no discipline, to having to be structured and disciplined, even if it's just 21 days.
Nina, that is so true. But you know what else is not easy? High blood pressure ain't easy.
Ooh.
Diabetes ain't easy.
Ooh.
Heart issues ain't easy.
Ooh.
Those things aren't easy. If we're just talking about a diet and those are the things that you're faced with, people are always going to make the right choice and they're going to cleanse. So that's what we got to understand what's really going on. This is about if your body doesn't work, Nina, Ski, you guys don't get to be
That
here.
part.
21 days?
20 days.
20 days.
But it takes 21 days to break a habit. So if you do that and you follow the process, that 21st day, you a changed man or woman.
Whew. Okay, you said raw fruits and vegetables. And nuts.
You already know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So what they're telling you is that if you eat a vegetable or fruit more often than none, then you're going to be in a healthier place.
And okay, all right, Nina Brown, I need help.
I know, but
I need help.
But AD, we have 3-year-olds, and between like just keeping them busy and keeping them out of stuff. And doing 2 shows, like, is it easy for the person who has a really busy schedule?
I don't think anything is easy, especially when you're trying to be successful in life. And like you said, having kids isn't easy. But also giving the kids the correct path on how to eat for the future is more responsible. That's one of the most responsible things that we could possibly do. Because so many of us are on the wrong path when it comes to eating and making those choices because we didn't have the best teachers.
Okay, so is there, I know it's 20 days.
20 days.
Is there like a starter kit?
You know what? There is.
A sample kit for
There is one. We actually came out with a 10-day version for people who weren't really ready to commit to the 10-day.
Oh,
But let me tell you this: what happens every single time, the person that does 10 realizes, wow, that wasn't so bad. I could do 20. So I tell everybody, just start with the 20. Make a commitment toward health.
Lord.
Get on the right path.
You know what
get it done.
my only problem is? I don't really do nuts. I can do the fruits and the vegetables.
Right.
The nuts is the hard thing.
You can't
Then don't do nuts.
Yeah.
Do what you like.
Right, out of all the nuts, you can't do any nuts.
Like I can eat peanuts, but I don't like cashews, pecans, all those kind of nuts.
Don't do them.
Yeah.
Don't do them. That's the whole point. The whole point is to find something within that program that you can possibly enjoy.
Raw fruit and vegetables, and are we drinking something too?
You can drink.
No, I'm saying you
Give
have
us
something.
an example of what a typical day would be.
Okay,
like
so
on the
if I was on the cleanse, so
on the
I would start
cleanse.
off the day with a smoothie.
Okay.
So I would do a smoothie. And now on our website, this is the best part. When you go to our website, we have thousands upon thousands of raw food meals that you can actually pick from. And people always, well, I don't know what to pick. Pick the one that has your favorite fruits or vegetables that's in it. So you know you're possibly going to enjoy that. And like I said, this is something where this is more of a quest for you to find what you like that's healthy, that you can do outside of the cleanse, that you may do outside of the cleanse. And I found several things that I love. I've been doing smoothies, and since then, I do a smoothie every single day.
But what if we're hungry about 2 o'clock and have a headache because we haven't eaten nothing but a smoothie?
See, you creating problems. Now you predicting problems. Now I can't stop. I can't beat somebody that's predicting problems.
Okay.
What I'm saying by that is we don't know until we try.
Oh,
Yeah, there you go.
We don't know until we try.
So let me ask you this. So when people get ready to call you,
Right.
and go to your site,
Right.
are you creating the smoothie, or are you giving us the recipe to create the smoothies, or what are we doing? And when you say cleanse, what is the cleanse?
So the cleanse is 7 different herbal formulas that you're going to take throughout that
Got
process.
it. Got it.
So along with that diet,
Yes.
if you do both of those things in combination with each other, the magic happens.
Oh, got
The magic
it.
happens.
Got
Yeah.
It. Okay.
I mean, not for nothing,
Okay,
Frank.
okay.
They've been around for over 15 years.
That's true.
Yeah.
Like thousands and thousands of 5-star reviews online.
Okay.
They've
Absolutely.
sold over 5 million formulas. I mean, they've been tested and tried and true. Okay, not new to this.
Okay. I'm
but
ready.
true to this.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
I think I'm ready too, and I
I'm
do
ready.
like the 10-day. To be honest, I like the 10-day option.
Give it a go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
10 days I can do. And if it's fruit and vegetables, I can do that. Okay.
And by raw, you mean there's no cooking, right?
Right. So so you can have raw food meals if you cook it under a certain temperature, then
Okay.
therefore it's still raw. The reason
Okay.
why you want to do that is because when you cook things, you kill 90% of the value of those things. So therefore, trying to fortify your body with vitamins and nutrients and things along those lines. And the way we can make sure that happens if you follow that plan.
That's
Okay.
dope.
But that plan is foolproof.
Come
Okay,
on,
I'm ready.
y'all.
I'm ready.
If y'all are interested in doing it with us, hit us up on Instagram, and I promise you, Frank and I will do it with you.
There
The
you
10-day one first.
All right. Give everybody the information how they can reach you and see your stuff on the website.
Absolutely. So it's Dherbs, DHERBS.com, or they can give us a call at 866-434-3727. And any platform out there, Dherbs, we have a way for you to contact us, and it's just DHERBS. Easy.
But don't forget, right now, if you log on to dherbs.com and use the promo code KISS, KISS, you get a really nice discount at checkout. So
All right.
why not get it on sale?
All right. AD Dolphin, thank you very much, sir.
Absolutely.
Thank
Thanks for
you.
having me.